today, we're going to be doing homonyms, homophones, and homographs. It's about to get crazy. Stay tuned. Homonyms are words that sound alike but have different meanings. Homonyms are broken into two categories. Not one, but two categories. Let me break it down. Pay close attention because I'm about to break it down to you. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and different spelling. Take a look at the example. This will help you understand. Breaking news. I think Chuck E. Cheese is so close, guys.
But we're going to go in here and see if
They
they'll
can
let
let
us.
us in and do our vlog. This is as far they can let us go, guys. Disneyland's closed, Osprey Farm is closed. The coronavirus needs to stop right now.
All right, guys, so we could not get into Chuck E. Cheese because they're only selling pizza right now. So everything is still closed. Come on, Braxton, I know you hate to leave, but got to go.
Oh, man.
Sorry. And we are out of here, you guys. So we'll come back to you guys with some more up-to-date news on some fun places for kids to go. But right now, where's the only fun place for kids to go, Braxton?
Nowhere.
Nowhere. This is crazy, huh?
This is crazy. I can't even go the house away from my friends. Boy, this is crazy. Well, I'm about to break it down. Homographs are words that spell the same, but they have different meanings and sound different. Take a look at the examples. This will help you better understand. This lesson was crazy, but we got through it. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and remember, Schoolie is cool.